How to fix Roblox error code 280 working 2025. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to fix Roblox error code 280. Roblox error code 280 typically occurs when your version of Roblox is outdated or corrupted. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to resolve this issue, ensuring compliance with YouTube's terms and service guidelines. The first thing you want to do is verify your system's date and time. Incorrect system date and time settings can interfere with Roblox's functionality. To fix this, you can open up your settings, navigate to date and time settings, and ensure the date and time are set correctly, or enable the automatic sync option. Step 2 is to uninstall Roblox, so removing outdated or corrupted files is crucial for resolving error code 280. Follow these steps, press the window key, and search for add or remove programs. Then locate Roblox in the list of installed programs. Click on the three-dotted menu next to Roblox and click uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Then delete leftover files so Roblox stores additional data in temporary and local folders, which may cause errors if not removed. Here's how to clear these files. Temporarily delete the file, so press Windows plus R to run dialog box. Type temp and press enter. Look for any folders named Roblox and delete them. You can also delete local app data, so open the run dialog again by pressing Windows R. Type %local app data % and press enter. Locate the Roblox folder and delete it, and then the final step is to reinstall Roblox. After removing all traces of the old installation, reinstall Roblox to ensure you have the latest version. Visit the official Roblox download page, click on Download Windows App. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Here are some additional troubleshooting if needed. If error code 280 persists, boot into Windows Safe Mode and perform a clean install of Roblox. Also check for corrupted Windows system files using the sfc scan now command in the command prompt. If this video helped you, subscribe. Goodbye.